Alright, tonight is December 28th, 2016. Um, it's been near freezing the last couple of nights, and I've been plugging away trying to get this car stripped down. Um, as you can see, finally got the gas tank out, and I've also removed the two quarter windows that go in here. So yeah, these were quite tricky, the smaller quarter mirror windows, and yeah, it was just trying to figure out how to squeeze the glass out without breaking it. Uh, Most definitely the hardest car glass I've removed so far. I've done front doors, rear doors before, but this was definitely the trickiest. As you can see, this is where the gas tank filler is located, and that thing came out in one piece. As you can see right there, there's the gas tank. I'll just give it a good cleaning and before I put it back in the car when I get the car back. Again, not that hard to take out. And there's some gas left in there, so I could definitely hear it sloshing a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. And as you can see, right through the the trunk here to the cabin. Let's see, just a little bit dirty. I'm gonna try to vacuum it before I bring it out to the body shop. And you can probably see how the previous owner cut out the vinyl top there. But yeah, that's where the gas filler goes. I was able to remove the chrome or stainless steel trim. Definitely need a piece fixed over there. Here's the original vinyl that was actually also available in Japan. So yeah, Japanese vinyl roof. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the the door glass, door mechanisms, and keep going forward. All right.